How to learn any programming language. Choose the right language. Select a programming language that aligns with your interest and career goals. For instance, if you are interested in web development, consider JavaScript or Python for data science. Understanding the purpose of the language will keep you motivated. Join a bootcamp. Enrolling in a coding bootcamp provides a highly organized and structured learning path. Start with the basics. Focus on the basics of the language, including syntax, data types, and control structures. A solid foundation is crucial for progressing to more advanced topics. Skipping the basics can lead to confusion later. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is key to mastering any programming language. Solve coding challenges, work on exercises, and engage in hands-on projects. This will help reinforce your learning and improve your problem-solving skills. Learn by building more projects. Apply what you've learned by creating real-world projects. This could be anything from a simple calculator to a full-fledged web application. Building projects not only solidifies your knowledge, but also enhances your portfolio. Join a community. Engage with other learners and experienced developers through forums, social media, or local meets. Sharing knowledge and asking questions can provide valuable insights and support. Read other people's code. Seeing how others write code helps you learn better structure, style, and problem-solving techniques. Teach or explain what you learn. Explaining concepts to others or yourself helps reinforce your understanding. Don't be afraid of errors. Errors are part of learning. Debugging teaches you more than getting things right immediately.
Keep building.
Keep learning. Follow for more coding tips.